Hey guys, it's Dr. Candice and Dr. Max from APM Sports Chiropractic.
What's up, guys?
Happy Tuesday. So today we're going to be going over text neck fixes. So it's going to be part one of a little series that we're going to be doing. So what's text neck? Basically, it's a new condition that's been created because we're all so forward on our phones and tablets. And what this is doing is it's leading to early degeneration, aka arthritis. So we're going to go over today a simple little exercise that you can do at your desk throughout the day that can help hold off any of the repercussions of this text neck posture that we've all been doing. So Dr. Max is going to go over, the little technique.
So this is, like Dr. Candice said, this is the first series in ways to help fix text neck in that forward posture that we're talking about. So what we're going to do is, this is very, very simple. So all we're going to do is, to help reverse this, is we're going to do something called a chin tuck. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your chin and tuck it back. So you're making basically a double chin. I know everyone loves to hear that. You want to make a double chin, but this is where the double chin is going to be awesome and we want to see it happen. So what this does is, by doing chin tuck and keeping that gaze still looking forward, we're actually stretching out the muscles back here in the neck. They're called the suboccipitals, which is a big word you don't have to worry about. But these muscles actually cause a lot of headaches in people. And by doing this, it helps stretch those muscles out and actually helps start to reverse that forward posture that we're talking about, where when your head is forward, it's just putting a lot of stress on the neck, a lot of stress on the upper back. A lot of times when people come in and say, they have shoulder pain or, upper trap pain, it's because their head is so far forward from, like Dr. Candice said, driving, using computers, texting, all this stuff. Just reading your book at night in your bed, we end up like this, sitting on your couch watching TV, you end up in this forward posture.
Yeah, and as you can see, as Dr. Max's head went forward, or my head goes forward, the amount of stress that's placed on your cervical spine increases by the amount forward your head is. So basically, your head is the weight of a bowling ball. And the further forward it goes, it puts increased amount of pressure on your spine, which leads to early arthritis and everything. So you want to definitely start incorporating this exercise to help slow down the degeneration process, because we're really starting to see young kids with early degenerative symptoms, which is not good at all, because later in life it's going to be bad news for them. So definitely start incorporating this into your everyday life.
Yeah, and this will also give you a couple extra inches on your height. Like this, you're losing 2 inches. This, now you're actually slowing down that aging process a little bit.
Yeah. So any questions, as always, hit us up, comment below. Like Dr. Max and I said, that this is going to be part one of a little postural series we're going to be doing that you can do throughout the day at your desk or as you're walking around through life. Also follow us at APM Chiro on Instagram. We put a lot of content up there. So hope everyone has a great day.
Thanks, guys.